What is everyone? In this video I will show you how to make colors hands free using Siri on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down you will see Siri, so click on Siri. Now here you will see first option is talk to Siri, so click on talk to Siri. Now here turn on this button and click on Siri or Hey Siri. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. Hey Siri, open phone app. You will see. Hey Siri, click on contacts. Hey Siri, click on Joha. Hey Siri, go back to home screen. You will see Siri's work properly. So that's how to make colors hands free using Siri on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.